Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the valueOf method in Java. Basically, I'm just going to be going over the differences of this and parse, if you've come across that, so like parse integer and a few other methods. But right now, I'm just going to show you how this works. Basically, we're just going to pass in here, we're going to have a new string, and what this is going to do is I just basically saying we want the Java string class which defines certain methods to convert, certain primitive types to a string object. So what we're doing here, we're going to convert the value of I, and what we're going to do with this, we're going to convert it to a string and return a new string object representing this value, which should be 10. And we're going to do the same for all of these. So string is allowing us to get the value of F, L, D, C, B, and turn them all into strings basically. I'll show you the output. So there we are. That's everything we were looking for correctly as well. Basically, we can use other stuff. However, if you've come across like say parse int, some people look at the benefits between stuff like potential benefits of caching for integer.valueOf, because you can use different types for this, but there's no real reason. I mean, the difference is very minimal in that the parse int, if you've come across it, returns primitive integer type, where this is going to be returning a string. So valueOf that we're using here returns java.lang.integer. So this is basically just a representation, an object representation of that particular integer. So there are circumstances where we might want to use an integer object rather than a primitive type, but it's out of the scope of this video, to be honest with you. But yeah, if you go and look at integer.valueOf versus new integer, integer.parseInt, it's pretty much the same thing, just the difference is the valueOf returns an integer and parseInt returns an int, which is a primitive type integer, in the sense of an integer, not the primitive type integer. Note valueOf type can return certain cached instances of integers. Right now we're only using strings for this example because it's kind of easy just to show how it works, just turning these into strings. But yeah, that's kind of it for this video. If there's any questions, because I felt like I rambled a bit in this video as to how it works, do drop me a message or just leave it in the comment section below. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, let me know, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.